iPride kaHlathi, he refused Nonceba's help, saying the Mabandlas are not a charity case. Uzosifumanela ugqwetha wakhe. He will not accept help from the Ncukanas. While Uhlengiwe is busy trying to get Ulandle out of jail, claiming insanity. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. Hlathi told the family members to leave and give them space. Yo asaz via Pina because Utula Notandega, they don't have a home. At least we saw his home when Umthetho kidnapped Ubavumile. Hlathi says when he was strangling Ulwandle, he felt like justice was in his hands. When did he become such a dark person? When Sydney got home, Uhlengiwe was furious, saying he handed him over to the police. He was just meant to go there and confess and tell the truth. He was not meant to get arrested. And then Uqhawe phones Umawethu, thanking him for reaching out to Zethu and knocking some sense into her because she feels better now that she's gotten her friend back. So she was just grateful to Mawethu for stepping in. Mawethu was such a hero, saying, I'm here for you whenever you need me. And then Bambona, she's blushing. She was speaking to Mawethu. Mawethu helped with Uzethu. Lazarus didn't waste time asking how. Please, no Mawethu, what about Onga? Mina no Mawethu were just friends. Now the grandparents want to leave. But Uzolega like, Bavumile would love for you guys to stay a little bit longer. But Bavumile is for the parents to do right. If you guys get married, they don't want to talk about that because Zolega did mention that she doesn't want to get married. And then she got distracted by a phone call from Utumeka. Utumeka telling her that Ulwandle is the one that killed Ulikamva and he has been arrested. Uqhawe can't believe it, saying, how mama kanjani? Ulwandle, it can be. Kanti it is shame. Ulwandle is the one that did the hit and run Kalikamva. Now he's behind bars. Manje Zoleka says, ask Lazarus, can you please help them? We need to help them. I feel like we need to do something for memory Kalikamva. He saved Uqhawe's life after all. We need to do something. How about we talk to Nonceба abasize with the case? Lazarus at first was skeptical, saying Hlathi might think that we're overstepping, but it's okay, we can set up a meeting for the afternoon. And then they went there. Uma befika ke uNonceba is going on and saying that we need to be vigilant. We need to start working because Uhlengiwe is already on the roll if we want to win this case. But Hlathi was like, nope, we are not going to do that. Asiludinga usizo lakho. Uzoleka was shocked ukuthi Hlathi athi yeah, we're not a charity case. Ababandla bayidinga usizo lakho. We don't need your help. I will not be paying uNonceba mna. There's no money that I'll be paying to Nonceba. Lazarus is like, fine, I'll pay her. Yo, he ruined it. We were like, yeah, you are not a charity case. Amabandla, bayidingi charity from you too. Lazarus was like, Ulikamva was like a son to me. Yeah, Ulikamva was not your son. I said, dingi imali yenu. We are not a charity case. This is not some Khosela project that you two want to work on. I will not let you guys turn our grief into charity. How? Where is it now? Everyone is shocked. Why is this sudden becoming personal? As we don't need your help, especially not from the Ncukanas. I was shocked. She just kept quiet. Like everyone just froze because they offering help and we started saying no because of his pride, because of his ego. Now, Uhlengiwe is going all out, trying to get Landle out and saying that Sydney failed him. He failed as a fighter, so he does not get to be a husband. Egciba mgcotha ke wathi ngicela ukuthi mangibuya la nguthola hambile la kwamathi hey wena, you're not going to kick me out of my house because of my mistake kaLandle. I'm not going to leave. I'm not going to give up on my marriage. The next thing uLandle ufonela umawakhe is wanting to see her. When she comes back, she says she's going to claim temporary insanity because on the day that uLandle did the hit and run, uLandle had just been suspended, so he was not himself. Sydney cannot believe it, saying, are you even hearing yourself, Hlengiwe? But Hlengiwe is hell-bent on making sure that Ulandle gets out of this without any consequences. And then Onga did the announcement that Ulandle has been arrested for the hit and run. And everyone is shocked at work, saying, first it was Ulinda stealing information, now Ulandle hit and run. And then my way to pitches, I'd like to take a project Kawe, the dating app thingy, and want to help him. Onga was like, hey, Uqhawe said that to you. Now Onga's jealous ukuthi uMawethu is the one speaking to Qhawe. Qhawe is sort of like opening up to Mawethu. What about him? Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.